Hello, and welcome to Coding Cave. My name is Andre,
And my name is Chris.
and today we will be going over functions in Elm. But first, what is a function? Well, a function is just a way of transforming values. In Elm, we have many values. For that, take a look at our last video. There are many ways to transform these values, just like there are hundreds of recipes. And you can think of programming just like cooking, and functions are the recipes.
So, what do we need for a recipe? Usually, we have three things: we have the name of the recipe, we have the ingredients, and we have the different operations or things that we can actually do in said recipe. So, say I wanted a bowl of cereal because I'm hungry. Well, we already have the name, bowl of cereal. What ingredients do you need to make a bowl of cereal? You need milk, you need cereal, but of course, you need frosted flakes. And lastly, what operations can you do to make that bowl of cereal? One, you can put cereal in a bowl, and two, you can pour the milk into said bowl, making a bowl of cereal. So functions in Elm are similar to that. We start off with the name of the recipe, it's a bowl of cereal, and then we have our ingredients separated by white space so we can read them: frosted flakes and milk. And then after the equal sign, we have the way that we combine our ingredients together to get our recipe. And for a bowl of cereal, it's just combining milk and frosted flakes. So cooking is a lot like programming. Recipes are just functions. For ingredients, we have something called arguments, and for recipes, we have functions. So for the functioning, we'll take the bowl of cereal, and as arguments to our function, we'll take milk and frosted flakes. And then lastly, we define the body of our function, which is how we combine those two things to actually get our function, the value of our function, that is. It's pretty simple.
And functions are nicer in Elm. And how come? Well, first, functions in Elm always evaluate to a value. There are no need for unnecessary parentheses like languages such as Java and Lisp. There are also no needs for brackets to surround your function body in a language unlike a language like JavaScript. And that's all for functions in Elm. Thanks for watching. Give us a like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.